بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
ألف لام ميم.
Alif Lam Mim.
تلك آيات الكتاب الحكيم.
These are the verses of the wise book.
هدى ورحمة للمحسنين.
A guidance and mercy for the doers of good.
الذين يقيمون الصلاة ويؤتون الزكاة وهم بالآخرة هم يوقنون.
Who establish prayer and pay zakah and have firm faith in the hereafter.
أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون.
It is they who are on true guidance from their Lord, and it is they who shall prosper.
ومن الناس من يشتري لهو الحديث ليضل عن سبيل الله بغير علم ويتخذها هزوا. أولئك لهم عذاب مهين.
There are some human beings who purchase an enchanting diversion in order to lead people away from the way of Allah without having any knowledge, who hold the call to the way of Allah to ridicule. A humiliating chastisement awaits them.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِ آيَاتُنَا وَلَّى مُسْتَكْبِرًا كَأَن لَّمْ يَسْمَعْهَا كَأَنَّ فِي أُذُنَيْهِ وَقْرًا فَبَشِّرْهُ بِعَذَابٍ أَلِيمٍ.
When our verses are recited to such a person, he arrogantly turns away as though he had not heard them, or as though there was a deafness in his ears. So announce to him the tidings of a grievous chastisement.
إِنَّ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ لَهُمْ جَنَّاتُ النَّعِيمِ.
Surely those who believe and do good deeds shall have gardens of bliss.
خالدين فيها وعد الله حقا وهو العزيز الحكيم.
They shall abide in them forever. This is Allah's promise that shall come true. He is the most powerful, the most wise.
خلق السماوات بغير عمد ترونها وألقى في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بكم وبث فيها من كل دابة وأنزلنا من السماء ماء فأنبتنا فيها من كل زوج كريم.
He created the heavens without any pillars, visible to you, and he placed mountains in the earth as pegs, lest it should turn topsy-turvy with you, and he dispersed all kinds of animals over the earth, and sent down water from the sky, causing all kinds of excellent plants to grow on it.
هذا خلق الله فأروني ماذا خلق الذين من دونه بل الظالمون في ضلال مبين.
Such is Allah's creation. Show me then what any others apart from Allah have created. Nay, the fact is that the wrongdoers are in manifest error.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا لُقْمَانَ الْحِكْمَةَ أَنِ اشْكُرْ لِلَّهِ وَمَنْ يَشْكُرْ فَإِنَّمَا يَشْكُرُ لِنَفْسِهِ وَمَنْ كَفَرَ فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ غَنِيٌّ حَمِيدٌ.
We bestowed wisdom upon Luqman, enjoining, give thanks to Allah. Whoso gives thanks to Allah does so to his own good, and whoso disbelieves, let him know that Allah is all-sufficient, immensely praiseworthy.
وَإِذْ قَالَ لُقْمَانُ لِابْنِهِ وَهُوَ يَعِظُهُ يَا بُنَيَّ لَا تُشْرِكْ بِاللَّهِ إِنَّ الشِّرْكَ لَظُلْمٌ عَظِيمٌ.
And call to mind when Luqman said to his son, while exhorting him, my son, do not associate others with Allah in His divinity. Surely, associating others with Allah in His divinity is a mighty wrong.
وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ بِوَالِدَيْهِ حَمَلَتْهُ أُمُّهُ وَهْنًا عَلَى وَهْنٍ وفصاله في عامين أن اشكر لي ولوالديك إلي المصير.
We enjoined upon man to be dutiful to his parents. His mother bore him in weakness upon weakness, and his weaning lasted 2 years. We therefore enjoined upon him, give thanks to me and to your parents. To me is your ultimate return.
وَإِن جَاهَدَاكَ عَلَىٰ أَن تُشْرِكَ بِي مَا لَيْسَ لَكَ بِهِ عِلْمٌ فَلَا تُطِعْهُمَا وَصَاحِبْهُمَا فِي الدُّنْيَا مَعْرُوفًا وَاتَّبِعْ سَبِيلَ مَنْ أَنَابَ إِلَيَّ ثُمَّ إِلَيَّ مَرْجِعُكُمْ فَأُنَبِّئُكُم بِمَا كُنتُمْ تَعْمَلُونَ.
But if they press you to associate others with me in my divinity, to associate those regarding whom you have no knowledge, that they are my associates, do not obey them. And yet treat them well in this world, and follow the way of him who turns to me in devotion. Eventually it is to me that all of you shall return, and I shall then tell you all that you did.
يا بني إنها إن تك مثقال حبة من خردل فتكن في صخرة أو في السماوات أو في الأرض يأت بها الله إن الله لطيف خبير.
Luqman said, Son, Allah will bring forth everything, even if it be as small as the grain of a mustard seed, even though it be hidden inside a rock or anywhere in the heavens or earth. Allah is most subtle, all aware.
يا بني أقم الصلاة وأمر بالمعروف وانه عن المنكر واصبر على ما أصابك إن ذلك من عزم الأمور.
Son, establish prayer, enjoin all that is good and forbid all that is evil, and endure with patience whatever affliction befalls you. Surely these have been emphatically enjoined.
ولا تصعر خدك للناس ولا تمش في الأرض مرحا إن الله لا يحب كل مختال فخور.
Do not contemptuously turn your face away from people, nor tread haughtily upon earth. Allah does not love the arrogant and the vainglorious.
وَقَصِدْ فِي مَشْيِكَ وَغْضُضْ مِنْ صَوْتِكَ إِنَّ أَنكَرَ الْأَصْوَاتِ لَصَوْتُ الْحَمِيرِ.
Be moderate in your stride and lower your voice. Verily, the most disgusting of all voices is the braying of the donkey.
أَلَمْ تَرَوْا أَنَّ اللَّهَ سَخَّرَ لَكُم مَّا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ وَأَسْبَغَ عَلَيْكُمْ نِعَمَهُ ظَاهِرَةً وَبَاطِنَةً وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يُجَادِلُ فِي اللَّهِ بِغَيْرِ عِلْمٍ وَلَا هُدًى وَلَا كِتَابٍ مُنِيرٍ.
Have you not seen that Allah has subjected to your service all that is in the heavens and on the earth, and has abundantly bestowed upon you all His bounties, both visible and invisible? Yet some persons dispute regarding Allah without having any knowledge or guidance or any illuminating book.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمُ اتَّبِعُوا مَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ قَالُوا بَلْ نَتَّبِعُ مَا وَجَدْنَا عَلَيْهِ آبَاءَنَا أَوَلَوْ كَانَ الشَّيْطَانُ يَدْعُوهُمْ إِلَى عَذَابِ السَّعِيرِ.
When they are told, follow what Allah has revealed, they say, we will rather follow that which we have found our forefathers following. Will they follow that even though Satan might invite them to the chastisement of the blazing fire?
وَمَن يُسْلِمْ وَجْهَهُ إِلَى اللَّهِ وَهُوَ مُحْسِنٌ فَقَدِ اسْتَمْسَكَ بِالْعُرْوَةِ الْوُثْقَى وَإِلَى اللَّهِ عَاقِبَةُ الْأُمُورِ.
Whoever surrenders himself to Allah and lives righteously grasps the most firm handle. The ultimate decision of all matters rests with Allah.
وَمَن كَفَرَ فَلَا يَحْزُنكَ كُفْرُهُ إِلَيْنَا مَرْجِعُهُمْ فَنُنَبِّئُهُم بِمَا عَمِلُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلِيمٌ بِذَاتِ الصُّدُورِ.
So let the unbelief of the unbeliever not grieve you. To us is their return, and then we shall inform them of all that they did. Surely Allah knows well even the secrets that are hidden in the breasts of people.
نُمَتِّعُهُمْ قَلِيلًا ثُمَّ نَضْطَرُّهُمْ إِلَى عَذَابٍ غَلِيظٍ.
We allow them to enjoy themselves a while in the world, and then we shall drive them in utter helplessness to a harsh chastisement.
وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُم مَّنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ لَيَقُولُنَّ اللَّهُ قُلِ الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
If you were to ask them who created the heavens and the earth, they will certainly reply, Allah. Say, all praise and thanks be to Allah. Yet most of them do not know.
لله ما في السماوات والأرض إن الله هو الغني الحميد.
All that is in the heavens and the earth belongs to Allah. Verily, He is all-sufficient, immensely praiseworthy.
ولو أن ما في الأرض من شجرة أقلام والبحر يمده من بعده 7 أبحر ما نفدت كلمات الله إن الله عزيز حكيم.
If all the trees on earth become pens, and the sea replenished by 7 more seas were to supply them with ink, the words of Allah would not be exhausted. Verily, Allah is most mighty, most wise.
ما خلقكم ولا بعثكم إلا كنفس واحدة إن الله سميع بصير.
To create all of you or to resurrect all of you is to Him like creating or resurrecting a single person. Verily, Allah is all-hearing, all-seeing.
ألم تر أن الله يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري إلى أجل مسمى وأن الله بما تعملون خبير.
Do you not see that Allah makes the night phase into the day and makes the day phase into the night and has subjected the sun and the moon to His will so that each of them is pursuing its course till an appointed time? Do you not know that Allah is well aware of all that you do?
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأن ما يدعون من دونه الباطل وأن الله هو العلي الكبير.
All this is because Allah, He alone is the truth, and all that which they call upon beside Him is false. Surely Allah, He alone is all-high, incomparably great.
ألم تر أن الفلك تجري في البحر بنعمة الله ليريكم من آياته إن في ذلك لآيات لكل صبار شكور.
Do you not see that ships sail in the sea by Allah's grace, that He may show you some of His signs? Surely there are signs in this for everyone who is steadfast, thankful.
وإذا غشيهم موج كالظلل دعوا الله مخلصين له الدين فلما نجاهم إلى البر فمنهم مقتصد وما يجحد بآياتنا إلا كل ختار كفور.
When waves engulf them in the sea like canopies, they call upon Allah, consecrating their faith solely to Him. But when He delivers them safely to the land, some of them become lukewarm. None denies our signs except the perfidious, the ungrateful.
يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم واخشوا يوما لا يجزي والد عن ولده ولا مولود هو جاز عن والده شيئا إن وعد الله حق فلا تغرنكم الحياة الدنيا ولا يغرنكم بالله الغرور.
O people, fear the wrath of your Lord and dread the day when no father will stand for his child, nor any child stand for his father. Surely Allah's promise is true. So let the life of this world not beguile you, nor let the deluder delude you about Allah.
إن الله عنده علم الساعة وينزل نفس بأي أرض تموت إن الله عليم خبير.
Surely Allah alone has the knowledge of the hour. It is He who sends down the rain and knows what is in the wombs, although no person knows what he will earn tomorrow, nor does he know in which land he will die. Indeed, Allah is all-knowing, all-aware.